I'm looking for a man in finance. Trust fund. 6'5", blue eyes. Finance. Trust fund. 6'5", blue eyes.
Your network security and server team has clustered a private cloud IaaS with 8 NVIDIA H100 Tensor Core GPUs to power a supercomputer that is the underlying hardware for the company's artificial intelligence platform. Your chief technology officer wants the AI to always run with minimum downtime as it leverages GPU capacity from locations around the world. What would be the best type of security testing method for the Python kernel that manages the GPU utilization and scheduling? Is it choice A, abuse case testing? Is it choice B, sandboxing? Is it choice C, database activity monitoring? Or is it choice D, interactive application security testing? Just remember that whatever choice you pick, whether right or wrong, you have to know all of these testing types for the Cloud Certified Security Professional exam. Whoops, I keep doing that. The Certified Cloud Security Professional exam. And if you want to knock out 2 exams one after another, then let me comfort you by saying that you can definitely apply all of these choices to the CISSP exam as well. Because here's the thing. If you study for the CISSP exam and pass it, the CCSP will be a bit easier. Don't get me wrong though, the CCSP is not to be underestimated by any means. Some say it's even harder than the CISSP. That should give you an idea of what you're getting into. But I assure you, only the most fierce and determined get to see their dreams come true. Alright guys, here's the explanation for this CCSP exam practice question. For choice A, abuse case testing typically involves identifying potential misuse scenarios. While it is valuable for understanding possible abuses of system features, it's just too risky and could damage the AI from running smoothly. For choice B, sandboxing is a technique that isolates an application or process to prevent it from affecting other parts of the system. The question is actually looking for, one, for a security testing method. Sandboxing is more than isolation. It's more about isolation, not exactly a testing kind of thing. And 2, the code needs to run in real time within production without being isolated in its own environment somewhere else, which is the definition of sandboxing. For choice C, this doesn't even sound close to being the right answer. You know what I mean? Database activity monitoring, that's more focused on monitoring database interactions, like our backend database in our HR portal, for example, and is not directly applicable to the security testing of the Python kernel managing GPU utilization. Which leaves choice D, and a very strong thing to know for the CCSP exam, a very strong topic that you have to know. IAST is actually really cool. It is an advanced security testing method that operates within the application. It actively monitors and assesses its behavior in real time while in production. Given that the Python kernel is responsible for managing GPU utilization and scheduling, IAST can provide continuous security analysis during the application's execution while running live. Did I mention that already? Live in production? IAST would be particularly effective in this scenario as it can comprehensively analyze the Python kernel's runtime control, data flow, and interactions with GPU resources. The fact that it can do this in real time works to minimize downtime from having to stop the application or affect it negatively, like in abuse case testing. The correct answer is D. Thank you for watching, and you can find a much more detailed, expansive, and dare I say, beautiful CCSP exam course in the description below. I spent 10 months making it, and it's one of my proudest course creations ever. And call me crazy, but CISSP and CCSP courses should not cost more than the actual exam fee. Unpopular opinion, or what? What do you think? All right, good luck on your exam, future CCSP or future CISSP, or both.